I'm Dr. Sandy.
And I'm eating a grape.
You're eating a grape. And what's your name?
Mia.
And today we're going to be celebrating eating the rainbow and the color
Purple.
purple. What makes all of these fruits and vegetables, are you in the picture? Purple. And what makes them purple?
Anthocyanin.
So it's the anthocyanins that make all these fruits and vegetables purple. These
Blueberries.
are purple. These are purple grapes. And I think it's your favorite thing here so far. And in the middle, what do they look like in the middle? They're kind of purpley. And what makes them purple again?
Anthocyanin.
Anthocyanin.
Why is there an apple here? That's not purple.
Well, this is a what?
No, that.
We'll get to that. That's his friend. These are the same kind of fruit. Does anyone know what kind?
Plum.
Yes! This is a plum. It kind of looks like an apple from that side, but it's a plum.
Or a peach.
Some plums are yellow on the inside, so this kind of plum is red on the outside and kind of yellow on the inside. Do you want to try it? And this one, what color is it going to be?
Purple.
Well, I don't know. Nope. Some plums are yellow on the inside, and some purple plums are purple on the inside. You want to try this one?
Trick shot. They kind of look like apples.
Purple. These are blueberries, and they're purple. And one more fruit. These guys, what were you telling me about these guys?
They're a family.
They're a family. They're connected. They're rooted together. They look like an amusement park ride.
I have a leg.
Mia's gonna show you how to take the pit out. But they're purple. Let's cut one open. Whoops. Oh, it's another family.
That's just the mom and dad.
So if you cut it open, purple on the inside. That's what the purple plum looks like.
Can I take the family apart?
And then this is a purple cabbage. Let me show you what this looks like on the inside. What do you think it's gonna look like?
Purple.
And what other color?
Red.
White. Purple and white. This is
Can I try some?
so good for you. Yes. Purple cabbage. It's crunchy. I can hear it.
I like that.
This is an eggplant,
Eggplant.
and it's not purple on the inside.
It's white.
It's white. But this is what you make, you roast it and make baba ganoush out of. So, we had one more thing. Oh, a purple onion. Do you want me to cut this open?
Can I eat some?
Seriously?
Yes.
Who likes purple onions?
Me.
Okay. This is kind of a picky kid. Alright, let me cut you a little piece. Crunchy and a little sweet.
Now you see why I like them?
It's like spicy.
So good.
So good. Alright, we're going to be pitting some cherries.
Cherries.
So the first step is to
Don't drop it on the floor.
don't drop it on the floor. And put in there. Remove the stem. And then you put it in with the bottom in the little cup
And then
and the rod pointing in the spot where the stem was. And then you squeeze really hard. Ah! You did it!
I did.
Except you like shot it at yourself.
Which one goes first? Mickey Mouse, Friday house. Gonna put it into that. Bye-bye, husband. Hey, that one was so easy.
That one was so easy. Now put your cherry over there.
That was like the easiest one I had.
See if this one's easy too. I think you're just getting the swing of it.
Oh.
Let's do one more and then look at it.
I ring the bell. Hi.
So we made freeze pops this morning. There they are. They're purple because they're made with
Bananas, coconut water, and blueberries.
and blueberries. So the blueberries are rich in the anthocyanins, which is a very powerful antioxidant that helps you boost your immunity, fight disease, and have a strong body. And we froze them in these little do-it-yourself cuppies, and then now we're gonna eat them. How is it?
Good. All you need is a blender, fruit, and this.